The conditions are not ideal because it's, can you see, it's some 15 degrees here now. With the heater I prepare this swing arm, remove the rust, and now I will use the spray can of duplicolor to, you know, paint it and protect it. First, let's paint this. Okay, I am very satisfied with result. So this is one thin coat and two heavy coats, so everything now looks brand new. Okay, now let's put the racers in, and for start I will clean inside of swing arm here and here. Let me finish that and then we will heat it up and put the racers in. To put the racer in, first let's heat this up. Okay. Start tapping. Okay, so now took the old racer but put it on the you know, the thinner edge, not so opposite to the one you put in. See? Okay. Now we took the racer that we split on one end. Okay. And when you want to remove the spacer, just took the pliers and put light pressure and remove. So you took the pick and see, do you have any space between the racer and the frame? There is no space, so we need to pack the bearing. So I already did it on this side. Now we need to do it on another side. So for start, just take some grease and put on the racer here. Okay, and then you took your bearing, took a lot of grease, and then you need to push the grease inside this where the rollers are. So how you do it, you take a bite with the bearing, you take a bite and stuck grease under it, under the rollers, until you see that grease is coming out. Some grease, and then we just put it in the racer. We took the spacer and the dust seal. I would wish that this dust seal is new one, but I couldn't get it in time, so we will leave that for another time. First I put dust seal and then spacer. And that's it. We are ready to put whole assembly back on bike.